Motorhouse sets new benchmark with premium two-wheelers in Ahmedabad. Motorhouse has expanded its presence in Ahmedabad with the launch of a new dealership featuring Brixton motorcycles and VLF electric scooters. The Austrian Brixton motorcycles lineup includes the Crossfire 500X and 500XC, alongside the high-end Cromwell 1200 models. The VLF Tennis electric scooter offers an eco-conscious alternative for urban commuters. Tushar Shelke, managing director of Motorhouse, emphasized that the dealership is a step toward redefining the riding experience in India with a focus on performance and sustainability. Kunal of Kunal Motorrad highlighted the VLF Tennis as an ideal solution for Ahmedabad's growing demand for environmentally friendly vehicles. With a larger showroom and expanded customer services, Motorhouse aims to deliver an enhanced customer experience as part of its nationwide growth strategy, which includes opening 20 new dealerships by mid-2025. Report by Bilkul Online.
First of all, I'd like to thank Kunal Motorrad team for getting this entire opening today all together. So I think a big round of applause for the entire Kunal Motorrad team for making such wonderful arrangements for the opening of Ahmedabad stores. It's the Gujarat's first showroom. I would like to thank media, our friends, riding clubs who are here present today for this inauguration of Motorhouse Ahmedabad showroom.
Response, like what is the feedback that you're getting?
So I think feedback wise, as I told you, it's been 3 months. November 24 we launched the bikes in India officially. Post that we received a good amount of online pre-bookings as well as offline pre-bookings at our dealership and our dealer partners. हमने पहला शोरूम बैंगलोर का हमारा ओपन किया नवंबर एंड में. उसके बाद दिसंबर में हमने हमारा कोलाबो का शोरूम ओपन किया. Third showroom that we're opening is in Ahmedabad. उसके बाद we have a series of showrooms that we have planned to open in all major metro cities in India. So
आफ्टर सेल सर्विस के अंदर हमारा ऑलरेडी ट्रेनिंग हो चुका है हमारे टेक्नीशियंस का और सबका, और हमारा वर्कशॉप भी ऑलरेडी रेडी है. एंड वी हैव सर्विस कपल ऑफ VLF scooter also, and we are going to be the best in the market for sure for after sales. और आफ्टर सेल सपोर्ट हमारा है ना, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड एवरीथिंग इज लाइन्ड अप वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एकदम बढ़िया.
आज वो बोल नहीं पा रहे, इतना खुश है, वो इतना खुश है कि उनके बेटे ने इतना कुछ कर दिया है. अभी मेरे को लगता है वो बोल ही नहीं पा रहे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद फ्रॉम कुणाल मोटराड. एंड हम लोग अभी अहमदाबाद में VLF और ब्रिक्सटन के साथ में आए हैं और हम लोग बेस्ट क्वालिटी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं. और हम लोग ऑलरेडी ऑटोमोबाइल्स में 45 ईयर्स से है एंड दिस इज़ आवर फैमिली बिजनेस. और हमारा जो ग्रिप है ना आफ्टर सेल्स में वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. वो ग्रिप के साथ में कोई भी कस्टमर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदता है तो उसको आफ्टर सेल सर्विस में बहुत दिक्कत पड़ती है, वो गैप हम लोग ख़त्म करेंगे और हम लोग जो सर्विस देंगे वो कस्टमर विल बी हैप्पी। एंड कोई भी कस्टमर हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट लेगा, सर्विस के साथ में हैप्पी रहेगा, तो वो दूसरे किसी को भी बताएगा कि हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है।
My name is Tushar Shaike. I'm the Managing Director of Motorhouse Brixton Motorcycles and VLF India. We are happy to announce that we've officially opened our Ahmedabad showroom today here on the SG Highway. And I think this is one of the prime locations in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. And we are happy to launch Brixton Motorcycles and VLF both here in Ahmedabad under the Motorhouse umbrella brand. Brixton Motorcycles, we have launched 4 models. 2 in 500cc and 2 in 1200cc. Pricing start from 4,74,000, and for the 1200cc it goes at 7,85,000. I think for Brixton Motorcycles, the 1200cc is our hero product, and the price at which we have launched the motorcycles, we have created a benchmark and we have made the segment more accessible to the riding community or to aspirational riders who really want to have a premium motorcycle at an affordable price. For VLF, we have launched the electric scooter which is called the Tennis. I think design-wise, we are one of the most beautiful looking scooters right now in the market. We have 3 attractive colors in the scooter. We have white, we have red, and we have a dual tone color in grey. We have launched the scooter at the price of 1,29,999, and we are offering a range of 130 kilometers on a single charge, and it takes 3 hours to charge the scooter. We are one of the lightest scooters in the market. Again, 88 kilos is our weight with the battery, which makes it easier for the city ride as well. We also have a removable battery, so the customer has an option of charging the scooter directly, or if they don't have a charging station nearby, they can take the battery back to their houses and also charge the battery. We are happy to partner with Kunal Motors for Ahmedabad location, and I think Kunal Motors has an history of after-sales service. They've been into the after-sales premium car servicing since the last 30 years, and I think after sales being one of the key factors for all the brands, so I think that's something that we are quite confident that Kunal Motors will take care of Motorhouse in Ahmedabad from the after sales point of view, and definitely sales point of view as well.
Will they be picking up the vehicle from people's home and deliver them back after the service?
I think particularly for Brixton, since it's kind of a premium brand, so definitely premium brands, we always will have such options of giving doorstep services to customers. So yes, definitely that's something that we'll do for our customers.
So how do you assess the situation here in Ahmedabad? How people are really keen to drive such vehicles? Are they eventually?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the superbike market is growing every year exponentially, and Ahmedabad being one of the key markets for all the automotive industry. So I think for Motorhouse also it is one of the major markets for us. All the major superbike brands are there today in Ahmedabad, and I think that itself says that the demand for the premium motorcycles is growing specifically in Ahmedabad, because the purchasing power of the consumers is increasing, a lot of financing options, and I would say better roads now. So all of that adds on to the demand of these kind of motorcycles in the market.
And who bought your first vehicle in India?
So for Brixton, we started our deliveries from 7th of February a few days back. So our first customer was R. Madhavan, who is a famous Bollywood actor. So I think that itself shows that the kind of excitement that people have for our brand. So I think this is one of the major stepping stones for us, that Bollywood actor like R. Madhavan is one of our first or the first customer for our Brixton motorcycles in India.
Since then, how many vehicles have you sold?
We've received a lot of bookings. If you particularly we talk about Ahmedabad, so for the scooters we've received more than 40 plus bookings for the scooters, and today we are delivering 6 scooters, and for Brixton we've received more than 20 bookings, and I think today again we are delivering 2 motorcycles at the day of the opening. So that itself shows that people in Ahmedabad or people in Gujarat are quite excited to see these brands here.
So in Gujarat, this is the first showroom.
This is the first showroom that we opened in Gujarat.
Do you plan to have more such showrooms in other cities?
Yes, so our phase 1 plan is to have close to 15 showrooms across all major cities in India. We've already opened our showrooms in Bangalore, we're opening in Kolhapur, Ahmedabad is our third showroom. Next showroom we're opening in Goa, then we're opening in Pune, Jaipur, Kolkata, Hyderabad. So we would be present in all major cities in India.
What are the parts that are made in India?
So for Brixton, currently it's an entire CKD product. So we have a factory in Kolhapur. So we are assembling the entire Brixton motorcycle in our Kolhapur factory because to maintain the quality of the product that is being sold in the global market, we want to make sure that we deliver the same kind of product here to our customers. For VLF, we are sourcing the battery, tires and chargers from the local vendors, keeping the warranty and everything in mind. So these are some of the products or elements that are localized.
So sort of indigenously made?
Yes, yes, absolutely. The scooter, yes, I would say 40% is indigenously made.
So wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.